Let's see where it moves around.
400 meters to go.
Yeah. It should be about 500 meters, 30. What was that thing? Drop 2 weights. Titan, drop 2 weights.
Copy. Titan, drop 2 weights.
So he meant to go down fairly light. Didn't think that exactly what happened.
Wingspan, platform.
Go ahead, platform.
We're going to diver 419, please dive equipment checklist. And there's a line that says spare sector, more than 5 available.
Say again.
Right here.
Repeat last.
Diver 419, please dive equipment checklist. A line says spare deck bricks, more than 5 available. The platform was light, therefore we need more bricks here, correct?
Negative. Yeah, well, the platform, those weights can be on the platform and just be ready to transfer to the sub.
Roger that. Thank you for confirming.
We've lost tracking.
Can you confirm how many bricks are on the platform currently?